Hello friends, last time we have seen part design or what we can say solid modeling using sketch based feature called pad. This time we are going to see how we can use shaft feature of Catia to design a part which is circular. So let's just get started. Part design, name it exercise 2. Now this is our model tree. So we will select one plane to design a sketch and invoke a sketcher workbench. So our sketcher workbench is invoked. Now use profile tool to draw an enclosed sketch which can be used to revolve and make a 3D of circular feature. Circular solid. It's a cylindrical shaft. So we have moved 40 millimeters horizontal and 40 millimeters vertical. Now we'll further move 10 millimeter outside horizontal. Now again we'll move 40 millimeters. Now again we will go 10 millimeters outside. Now again we will move 100 millimeters. Now we will move 10 millimeters inside. And further we will move 40 millimeters vertically. Now suppose we will move 10 millimeters horizontally inside. It's a step shaft and 140 millimeters vertically. And 40 millimeters here. So as we can see, our figure is in green color. That means our figure is fully constrained. There are three kinds of constraints. One is under constraint, when our figure is white in color, and second one is over constraint, that is when our figure turns pink. If our figure is over constraint, that means there is some error. Our figure should be always fully constrained. That means geometrically or dimensionally it is perfect and fit. Let's exit the workbench and invoke sketch based feature shaft. So here is our shaft feature. So it's asking which selection, which kind, where is your profile. So here it is our profile. Now it's asking what is the axis of revolution, means about what axis it will revolve. So we will select this vertical axis to revolve, and it now defines what angle, means whether you want half of it or whether you want fully. So we want a shaft, cylindrical shaft, so we will go for 360 degree. Let's just preview it how it looks. So here it is, our sketch base feature shaft, how it can be used. Now I will use one draft dress up feature chamfer over here, 5 millimeters in length, and I will say preview. Okay, so here we go. This is our chamfer feature. Now let's just say there is a through hole which is passing from here to here. So how we can introduce that? Let's just go insert sketch base feature, hole, and where we want it. From here it will give what's the diameter, its depth. So I will just say up to last. Okay, now it's asking position the sketch, so let's just position it. It's at the origin horizontally and vertically, so it is in the center, so we don't need to specify, or otherwise we have to use the dimension tool. Select it, point 1, control and horizontal, and would have to define the distance. Here suppose I define 10, it will move 10. Now let's just define 0, it will remain in the 0. So let's just exit the workbench and just preview it, how it going to work. Okay, give the diameter little more, say 20 millimeters, and okay, and here we have a through hole of 20 millimeter dia. Now we will look at its view by clicking on this icon, create multiple views. So this one is the isometric view. This is top view, front view, and side view. So let's just move on to our next features in the next video. Please subscribe to see how to draw effectively in Catia.